Hello everyone. Okay, so today what we are going to do is this is a Delve profile which we can see cloud user 3. Now there is no phone number that has been shown here. If similarly if we go to cloud user 2 or view profiles, there is no phone number. So in SharePoint admin center, right, under user profile, this is where this parameter can be set and then it will be reflected at Delve. So in SharePoint admin center, you go to new admin center, more features. Under more features you have user profile. Once you click on it, right, so under this user profile, manage user profile, and you give here your cloud user to manage user profile, and there as we can see this mobile phone. So what we are going to do is we are going to populate this with the phone number so that the same is reflected at Dell. We are going to do this for bulk users so that we don't have to do it one by one. We can do it in one go, right? So the two users that we'll be doing for would be cloud user 2, cloud user 3. So I will show you how to do this through PowerShell-PNP. So this is the PowerShell command. We will install the module PNP PowerShell module, then we will connect to the SharePoint admin center. Once we have connected to the SharePoint admin center, we are going to use a CSV file, import it, and then the for each loop. For each loop is used because we are going to do multiple entries, so one by one it will iterate through each of the entry. What we'll do with each of those entries is set PnP user profile property. So we are setting the user profile property account. There we will give the user UPN and the property name. So in this case the property name is cellphone, whose value we will set from the CSV file, right? So this property value, this is important. This same script can be used to modify any other property as well. Let me show you. It is written as mobile number, but in the script we've written it as cell phone, right? So why is that? If you see here, see, this is cell phone. So again, in the SharePoint admin center under user profile, you will click on, instead of manage user profile, you will click on manage user properties, right? And in here, check for mobile or whichever property you want to update, edit, and then you can see the internal name. So this name is what you are going to use. So say for example you want to update any other parameter within that, there's many other parameters, right? Home phone, for example, which you want to populate. So you will go back, you will check for home phone what is the internal name, that is home phone itself. So in the script, instead of cell phone, you are going to make it as home phone, right? Now let's come back, let's check the CSV file. So this is our CSV file. As we can see, two headers are user principal name and mobile. The UPNs have been put in the user profile name, and these are dummy phone numbers. So in real life you will put the phone numbers for those particular users, right? If you compare with our script, as you can see, this is the user principal name header that we've put in here, right? And the property cell phone, the value will be mobile. So this is where the mobile value. So one by one it will iterate using this for each loop and update there, right? So everything set up. Now we are going to run our script. Okay, install module site PnP. Okay, so the location of the file, we have a different location. Here it is. Edit the location for each set parameter user principal, that is same. Before we connect, we are going to use web login because NFA is not configured for PnP files. Okay, nothing is left but to run this. Let's run it. So it is installing the module. This is the first time that we are running PnP on this system. Once this is done installing, we will connect with our credentials. Our script has run successfully with use web login. Right, MFA was enabled. Now let us check the output. Okay, so at the Dell profile, if we go for cloud user 2, as you can see, the phone number is reflecting now. Right, 129. Cloud user 3, same phone number is reflecting. If you go and check here, and you can see the mobile number right there. So this is how, with the script, right, you can have multiple users update the property. Right, you can do it in one go. Use the PowerShell, use the script and that parameter for all the users. Whichever users you mention in your CSV file will be updated. Right, as I mentioned, this is just for one property name. You can do it with any other property as well. That is all. Thank you.